Hello again, it's Noob, and this absolutely gorgeous all brass, well, it says top brass, padlock was sent to me as part of a recent trade. Now, I didn't know when I saw this lock whether top brass was the padlock model or whether it was a brand or what. So I went online and apparently it's a weatherproof solid brass padlock, and it's a line of locks by the lock company Wilson Bohannan of Marion, Ohio. So I do know Wilson Bohannan, and I've seen, and I think I own some of their older vintage locks with their WB logo on them. But this is the first time I've ever had a play around with a top brass padlock. Now, just look at the key. These padlocks came out in 1992. This key looks pretty old, so I'm imagining that this padlock could well be around 20 years old or so. It's hard to say, but yeah, that key is definitely aged and has a lovely patina on it. Bitting shows it's only a 4-pin lock. It's a little bit sticky. It feels like it's a bit notchy, like it's catching on a pin somewhere, but other than that it works absolutely beautifully. A little bit of shackle play. I think this has been used for sure, albeit probably, I don't know, it seems to be so, I mean, I gave it a clean, but it was pretty good when I got it. So yeah, hard to know with these. I think they age pretty well. Anyway, let's throw this into a vise and pick it. So here we are in the vise, and we're going to pick this in a slightly different way to normal. The keyway is wide at the bottom and at the top, but it is very paracentric. You can't pick straight up from the bottom to the top. So you have to angle the pick instead of up like that, but to the side. So I'm having to use a 18,000th Peterson gem, nice slim one. To protect the lock, as well as get a little bit of extra height in the keyway, just going to put a tension wrench at the bottom. Then we're going to put a tension wrench at the top to tension. We're going to tension anti-clockwise for a change. Seems to get better feedback. And just a reminder of the bitting of the key, not too extreme, but these are all very high set pins, which can be tricky when you're tensioning this way. So let's have a go in there. Quite heavy tension. So just check 3, 2, 1. Okay, pin 3 then. Little click. Pin 1. Little click. That's pin 2. Back to pin 4, nothing. 3, 2, 1. Is hung up on something. I don't know why it doesn't want to turn. Just hit 2 and there we go. I don't really know what's going on there. I suspect maybe beveled pins more than serrated. Very hard to tell. Certainly not a particularly easy lock, although there's no reason why it should be difficult. I think it might just be a combination of the types of pins inside and maybe the age. Yeah, that's all I can really say. But other than that, it is a lovely, lovely lock. Certainly great to have in a collection, specifically my collection, because I collect these all brass locks. So yeah, I'm really happy to have it in mine. I hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you all next time.